Woo! Go get it!
What is wrong with that guy?
Oh my God, we gotta go back around that way?
We haven't even hit the big buffalo bigger than the car yet. He came.
Bubblegum fights on the third floor. Comedy specials at 8. Fishing rod and a quiet few.
Alright, so we made it to our first destination. We are at Roloff Farms.
Hi, how's it going? I'm doing good. How about you? Oh, thank you.
Congratulations, you just got married.
Yes, August 28th.
Awesome, congrats.
Thank you. Where are you from?
Louisville, Kentucky.
Oh, Louisville, yeah.
Yep.
What brings you here?
We're here on our anniversary.
Really? What year?
At 15.
Wow, congratulations. I like Kentucky. Nowadays we're all so spread out. A time zone for each of our hearts.
So Ryan and I are out in Portland right now for our 14th wedding anniversary. We decided to take a little trip, kid-free, to enjoy just a week alone. Today we went to Roloff Farms. That was our first stop. They were all on site. They were all very friendly, very personable. We made a good time out of it. And the rest of the time we've been exploring Portland, downtown. And we have a question for anyone who lives in Portland. How many people get hit by a car here? We almost hit multiple people. People almost hit us. And it's absolutely chaos out there. So if you go to Portland, be careful. So today is day 2. And we are leaving Portland.
C'est la vie.
And heading to Aberdeen, Washington.
Astoria, Oregon.
Oops, my bad.
And then to Aberdeen.
Okay, so yeah, what he said. That's where we're headed.
And then to Forks, Washington.
And yep, then we're gonna go to Forks and check out all the stuff from Twilight.
If you want to, I'll get you flowers waiting around the bend. Baby, let's just
Where we at?
pretend.
I don't remember where we're at. What's it called? Look at that bridge up from up here. Remember how crazy that was?
We're at the Astoria Column. The Astoria Column is a tower.
Either way. Mostly we think this is the last place Lewis and Clark came on their great expedition. We think. We might be making that up too, but it seems like that might be right. So, but this place is pretty sweet looking.
To be understood, it's a shame still waters run deep. So let us walk right into the forest, to the trees and the rising sun. It is something we can't outrun.
How many steps?
I think 167. I don't even care about the steps. I can't even walk out here.
In this game for two, when it all comes down, do you feel alive? Are you feeling lost? You were made to fly, but you're so much more than a memory.
As we were doing some further investigating of Astoria, we also learned that the movie Goonies, some of it was filmed here. And there is a small jail, which we've already passed, that a scene of the movie was in. Come on! And the beach, and their home is also here on a little beachy area. So that's pretty cool.
As the rest we fall, till it all breaks down. But I
I have some. Here's your Sasquatch field guide. If you'd like to get out there and look for Bigfoot. Got one on YouTube!
It goes round and round.
I got my big girl pants on. And I'm hiking. I'm really scared. On that sign it said if you encounter a bear, bang pots and pans. Who's walking the trail with pots and pans?
I don't know.
Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and let
So as we're walking this trail, we keep hearing Roosevelt elk make their mating call. Haven't seen any though. Just here.
I guess it would be nice if you could interrupt. It's a day like this.
So completed the first hike. And now we're off to the second hike and I survived.
Dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave?
Oh my god!
These damn gulls. No stopping here.
Oh, so you can't even feed them?
You just can't stop your vehicle.
This guy says, I ain't getting out of the way. Here you go, man. Over there. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh! 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 His face is... Oh my god! Oh my god!
Dude, give him some bread. Just give him what he wants. Let him hit the road, Jack. Oh god, dude, they're coming at me. They're coming at, dude. Oh no, oh no, come on, dude.
This is terrifying.
Oh god, he's back. Oh gosh.
God, I'll feed you the whole loaf. Get away from me. Oh my God. I'm so scared. My stomach hurts. Oh my god.
That was intense. Oh man. Oh. He's still here. Oh, he's running fast. He won't go away.
Oh my god. Watch the road so you don't go off the curb. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Just say it and go away.
There's bread right here somehow on top of that. I don't know how that happened in the chaos.
Don't go off the cliff. This is really dangerous.
He's trying to get that bread.
Are you videoing him? Oh, he tried
got
to,
it.
He tried to eat the GoPro.
He got that bread off there. Look at this guy. He's a crafty
Watch
one.
this one.
Well,
Oh, they're snorting at us. Oh, God.
oh, he breathed in my ear.
Oh, I think you might have ran over the stove.
Okay, listen. All right. There you go. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Oh, this is intense.
It is intense.
There is so much bread all over this car. I have no idea where my
easy,
phone
dude.
is.
Watch your horns, man.
Don't make growly noises. Oh God, his tongue about got me.
Oh, I tried to lean over.
Ow, look at his tongue.
Been very patient. Ew.
Oh my God.
He suckled. You get a little piece too.
Oh my. Oh, he's drooling all over me.
All right, guys.
Oh my God. Ew, oh, they're fighting. They're gonna fight. Okay, you take that. You go. Shoot. I don't know how we get out of here. Maybe blow the horn? Is that rude? Ooh, he's drooling.
Listen, you're cut off, dude.
Look, over there. Oh.
What the f was that?
That was his head on the window. Go before they come.
Is this guy over here? I can't.
Oh. Look, over there.
All right. Car, we're moving.
Oh, he shot something in my eye.
You gotta have bread just to get out of here.
And we're almost out. What are we gonna do?
We've got some of this hair.
Look at the window.
What are they doing? Come on, guys. It's a rental, guys. Jesus.
They were headbutting the car. I'm just gonna lead them away.
Don't do it.
Over there.
Them horns out. Come on, dude.
Over here, fella. Right here. Woo! Go get it.
What that guy?
Oh my God, we gotta go back around that way?
We haven't even hit the big buffalo bigger than the car yet. He can't.
Get him out of the car! Get him out of the car!
He's an assassin. Oh, I got one on me now too. They're assassins. Oh man.
Oh my God. This is too much. Brett, you said only buy one. Thank God I bought two.
Look at him. What is this guy doing? He's smearing.
Look at his lips are sideways. Oh, he's so big.
Oh, I don't want to stop here.
I don't either. God, why?
Oh, sorry about your nose, dude. Do you deserve some bread?
Yes, but you know what's gonna happen.
Do you deserve a little bread?
Watch, that dude's gonna come up
There you
like
go.
the... What's that?
Come on, we gotta keep moving. You know who's coming.
What's that pumpkin guy? The headless horseman?
What's up? What are you doing?
Hi.
What are you doing in here?
I like the way your teeth sound. If you weren't so aggressive, I'd let your head more in the window, but I can't trust you. Oh my God. Oh,
guys.
babe, his head was in there.
Guys. Oh, come on. Come on, Sam.
You want to give him any?
Who?
Yeah.
Sammy over here? I mean, he's licking in here. His tongue's flying in here.
Hi, buddy. I can't reach him. This guy's about to get mad. You hear him? Oh,
There you go. I saved a little piece. Let's go.
Here.
See you, boys.
Oh, that was really scary. Do you think that's all of them? Babe, look at me. And that, folks, concludes our tour of the Olympic Animal Park. It was wild in there. Just arrived at the ferry. We're getting ready to head to San Juan Islands.
Yeah. My life depends on trying to figure a scribble I could let loose, dodging the dribble that they trying to throw my way. I think I figured that them figures out to get you. Let them pull the strings that trigger what you say. Think it's difficult to get out on my brain. I wish life went in any other way, but it's all sorrows to nowhere. And I can find a map that seen them out my place. My heart frigid when it's sit inside that cold air that exists between our lack of shit to say. But I always wanna spend my time with you, even when I'm whacking, got no change. You still sticking here with me. Yeah, you still sticking here with me. And I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you.
Well, now it's time to go down here and right on Granny's Way.
I'm a scrub, but you still love me. You love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm broke.
That sun feels good, but I feel like my ears are frostbitten.
We're having a Dumb and Dumber moment. It's freaking cold. See if you got any snot.
It's a bit intense. It's crazy. It's like 60 degrees out here. Don't you just feel like you like driven through like an ice storm or a blizzard or something?
Babe, I can't even feel my fingers.
Can't feel my face. Let's put it on.
I can't feel my face.
Oh wait, shit, it's the second verse, right? I think it goes like, I've been stuck inside this pocket of debt, empty walls and stress, gotta stop smoking this cess, I turn redundant, I'm a con, I'm ignoring myself, can't stomach her dwelling, she steady telling me I'm the center of all my problems, but I can't complain, I ain't a man of my own, I'm 26 now home, I ain't grown, I've been wasting my way to progress, but at least I got your love on my back, you steady making me laugh, for that.
So we just stopped at our first little stop and we saw 2 foxes and they were so cute.
Gotta thank the Lord above us, cause you make me smile when my world look gray, you make me laugh when my Santa is blue. I was low pockets in these words I make, and I'm a scrub, but at least I got you, yeah, at least I got you. And I just wanted to say thank you, thank you. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. Good effort. And I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you.